Wishing to all very cheerful good afternoon. I am Khushbu of class 7th standard. Today I am stand here to represent my topic nutrition. Firstly, we know about what is nutrition. The process of intake food inside the body is called nutrition, and the life process include in nutrition, respiration, transportation and reproduction. Then second is modes of nutrition. There are two modes of nutrition: autotrophic modes of nutrition and heterotrophic modes of nutrition. The words divided into two parts: auto plus trophos. First, auto means self, and then second, trophos means nourishment. Self-nourishment means organisms that make their own food is the meaning of self-nourishment. Then second is heterotrophic modes of nutrition. The words are divided into two parts: hetero plus trophos. The hetero means other and the trophos means nourishment. The other nourishment means organism that cannot make their own food. Then second is heterotrophic modes of nutrition. First is parasitic plants. The few non-green plants live on the body but derive other nutrition from them. It's called parasitic plants. The parasitic plants are divided into two parts: total parasites and partial parasites. First is total parasites. In some plants like cuscuta have a chlorophyll is totally absent. They take ready-made food for the host plants. And the second one is partial parasites. In some plants like Mistolata have chlorophyll, but they still depend on other body for their food. And second one is carnivorous plant. Carnivorous nutrition. The few plants eat insects and digest them easily because carnivorous or insectivorous plants. For example, Venus firefly. And then third one is saprotrophic nutrition. The few organisms that dead and decaying plants and animals called saprotrophic modes of nutrition. For example, mushrooms. Then last and fourth is symbiotic relationship. The exist certain between two organisms help of each other and survive each other, called symbiotic relationship. For example, lichen and association between two organisms. Algae and fungus. Algae is autotropous and fungus is a saprophytic. Thank you. That's all.